Hi everyone, welcome to my first video log on the mobile phone challenge. For those who do not know, I'm trying to make a game on my phone, which for this challenge I'm using my S22 Ultra. There is a reason why I'm using it, and I'm going to cover it in a minute. So the challenge for me is to make a 3D game just using this. However, I do have a few peripherals I will be using which will make my life a little bit easier. First one, why am I using, this is the S22 Ultra. The main reason why I'm using the S22 Ultra is because of one feature, which is DeX. For those who do not know what DeX is, the S-series phones have a feature called DeX, which is the desktop experience. It basically allows you to convert any TV or monitor with a HDMI or with the Smart View feature on to convert it into literally a laptop monitor. This is the main reason why I want to use this, because if I'm going to be building a 3D game, ideally I want a lot of screen space. The way I'm going to be doing this is there is a device which, if anyone uses a Switch, then they'll know what this is. I use one of these. This is, I plug it into my phone, just at the bottom. This has a few different ports on it. And one of them being the USB-C, which is the charging cable. Then you have the HDMI USB, which allows me to plug any USB sticks in if I've, let's say, got any asset packs which I want to use. And then the HDMI cable, that's the really important one. I can actually do this with the USB-C to a USB. However, I'm going to be using a Samsung monitor which only has HDMI port in the back. So I've got to use one of these. The next piece of kit is going to be obvious, which is my HDMI cable. It's pretty much how I connect them both together. And my final piece is my my Bluetooth keyboard and my Bluetooth mouse. There may be some extras I add in a little bit later, but for now, that's all I need. So the setup is quite very simple for this project. Well, I'm going to be keeping it down to these. There is a little bit of extra technology I'm going to be bringing in, which is a HDMI switch, which just basically allows me to switch between my main machine, which is to the side of me here, and my phone without having to unplug my HDMI cable at the back of my PC, my monitor at least, constantly, and ideally that kind of wrecks parts, so I don't want to be doing that too much. So in the next video, what I'm going to be covering is, because I will show you the setup when it is, actually I can show this up. Pretty much all I need to do is plug this into here. I don't need the cable in at the moment, but what I will do is this is kind of why I want to get it switched on the switch box, because it takes a hot minute to get it back in. Now what DeX does is this. Let me just... This is my phone. And as you can probably see, it looks like a desktop, however, it's not. So if I go, let's see, no, that's a window. Go down here. As you can see, this is not a standard Windows setup. And if I put my output here, this should give me an option. So I can run it between my phone speakers, which is what you've got here, my 2 Bluetooths, and a set of dead headphones. And yeah, so I will show you, once I get this all set up and screen recordable, I will show you what it looks like when I get the game running. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, because it helps me out. You guys get to keep up to date with what's going on, and you get to see if I can actually make a game with this engine. Bye, guys.